Hello everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Monday, November the 9th. Okay, this is a brief video just to remind you that, well, not remind you, just to make notice that ATVI, my trade on ATVI, didn't fill. I was doing a rollover and you can see here that I was able to roll the December calls, but not the put side. I decided to, the trade as a unit was not filling. If I go here to the monitor tab and account statement, go back ATVI in the last week, you see that I did try to fill and it just kept not happening. So then on Friday I did the call side only and that got filled. And now we have the put side. You see the call here. What I did was the short call was expiring, so I simply sold 85 calls. The stock was trading below 80 anyway. So now we have the put side. And the put side, I tried this morning to just sell December puts. And that didn't fill. So then I tried this. Close my puts. Close my long puts and at the same time sell my long shares that were assigned today. You can see that because I had short puts that were in the money, this morning I see 400 shares. I already closed two of them. That is, I sold 200 shares that were assigned of the 400 and I sold two puts. So I went from 8 to 6 as you can see here. Okay, but I still have 200 shares and what is going to happen is that I'm going to have a deficit here. And because I have a deficit, my broker will fill that for me if I don't act on it. And what is going to happen, they're going to simply close the 200 shares and leave me in a very bearish position. So plus it's not going to cut my cash. So they're going to do whatever they're going to do. So instead of trying to predict what they're going to do, I simply close my long shares and sell two of my puts to compensate. Okay, so then the price is close to the price of the stock. So I get a credit of $87.30. That's $2.30 above the stock price that I paid for. So all is good. Okay. So I just wanted to tell you that because now I'm going to do this additional two and end up with no shares and only 4 puts. Okay, even then the trade is sort of bearish. So let's go and try this out at the same price as the shares that I filled today. This morning obviously it's not going to work, so I'm just going to unlock and sell them for 86.57 and then wait a little. You can see that it's still quite bearish. If I take a look at the chart, you see that the stock bounced and that's why it's less. But this morning would have been perfect to do them all. I decided not to in order to show. Okay, failed to fill the order. Okay. It canceled on me. Let's repeat that. And in addition to that, I want to sell one of my puts. Well, that can wait really. There's no hurry on that. Okay, filled. Now you can see that my delta is 155. Okay, so if I wanted to reduce my deltas, I could add a put. Let's say we can sell the same strike price, same expiration, just sell a put, and that's $7. You can try the mid. I doubt that that will fill, but you can do that. Or I can sell one of my long puts here since I have 4 of them. Okay, I want to just to try to neutralize my deltas right now at 150, and that's quite a bit. Okay, so there is a number of things you can do. You can sell even at a lower strike price if that doesn't fill. It says rejected. Not sure why it got rejected. Let's see what it says. You are not allowed to use intraday proceeds and overnight liquid fund on this account. Okay. That might not work, might not be the case in your live account. So, okay. You can sell the January ones anyway, just to lower the deltas here. Let's sell one of them. But this is fine too. You see, you have 4 puts long, and the calls are 4 as well. If I sell just one of the January ones, it neutralizes my delta just a bit. Okay, so now we have 3 puts, and I'm fine with that. Okay, so that's how you can do it. All right, thank you very much, and that's all for today. Bye-bye.
Please be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Once you have done that, be sure to also click on the bell so you get a notification of future videos coming up in this channel. Be sure also to click like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much.